Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can design this flyer in Photoshop. So first of all click on create new and go to print section and click on A4 and create. So once you are here, let's start by making some graphics. Select your pen tool and draw a shape like this. And let's create a shape behind it so can create a clipping mask of the picture. And let's add some text and headlines. Add an about section in which you will write about your company. Let's decrease its font size. By the way, the font I am using is Poppins. You can find it on Google. Now let's add some contact information. Add a new layer. Ctrl J for making a copy. Let's add our contact logos like this phone one. And further repeat the process for this one as well. So now our basic design is almost completed. Let's add our footer and put the website name here if you have one, and centralize it by going and select all. Select moving tool and click on the centralize button. Now let's add some further information with some highlighting features which you are providing. let's add some more information here. Control J for copy and Control T for transform. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this.